Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to add an expanded bio to your X, formerly Twitter profile on your PC, using the latest update. If you want to make your profile stand out and share more about yourself, this new feature is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the X website. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on your profile. This will take you straight to your personal page, where you can view and edit your details. Next, find and click the Edit Profile button. This is your gateway to customizing your profile. With the new update, you'll notice a section labeled Expanded Bio. Click on it to unlock more space for your story. Now, click on the prompt that says, "Tell us about yourself." This is where you can truly express who you are, what you do, or anything else you want your followers to know. Whether it's your professional background, personal interests, or a favorite quote, the expanded bio gives you the freedom to be creative and informative. Type in whatever you'd like to share. Take your time to craft something that represents you well, as this section is now more visible to anyone who visits your profile. Once you're happy with what you've written, simply click Save. That's it. Your expanded bio is now live on your X profile, giving visitors a deeper look into who you are. This new feature is a great way to enhance your online presence, connect with others, and even improve your visibility in searches on the platform. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most of X and other social platforms. See you next time.